Well, hello everybody. This is Patty Davis. I'm with Crooked Tree Creations, and I'm going to show you what I am doing. About 2 weeks ago, I made those patriotic angel wings, and they turned out so good. I really loved them. Anyhow, I used carrot wreath forms as the sides as my wings. So anyhow, I'm having a glass of wine. It's Wine Wednesday. So anyhow, these are the carrot forms. And after I did this, I realized Dollar Tree only has these out seasonally. And I actually tried to go online, and they're not online. You can't get them online. They're strictly in stores, and it's seasonal. So I'm like, well, that's a bummer, because if I want to do something at Christmas time, if I want to do some angel wings, you can't find a carrot form. So this is what I came up with. I had my husband trace this carrot wreath form onto a piece of wood. This is about 1/2 inch thick, and of course it comes in a little bit here because this form was a little distorted, and he just kind of went with that. That's neither here nor there. We don't need to worry about it. Okay, so anyhow, we have this piece of wood that we traced this carrot wreath form onto, and it's actually very simple. It takes a little bit of time, but we bought this 16 gauge wire. Look at this. We bought a lot. I think it's 100 feet, but we got this 16 gauge wire because we wanted to make sure I was able to bend it myself. I kind of wish we went with a thicker wire. Should have done like a 14 gauge, which, by the way, the lower the number, the thicker the wire, just so you know. Okay, but we went with this 16 gauge, and all I did was wrap that wire around the form. Okay, I did this one already, kind of got it all the way around and just cut it off at the top. Then here, because galvanized, well, at least this wire is not able to be soldered, so we ended up buying this it's a micro fuel line. Okay, it is very thin. It's actually perfect for us to stick this wire in. Okay, what I did, got my wire cutters, cut about 2 inches off of that. Okay, then I take this wire that I made, okay, this little form, and if I can see, I can't see, my eyes aren't all that good. My eyes aren't what they used to be. And just stick it in. There you go. Okay, now once I have it where I want it to be, because this wire it bends pretty easily. So, but it's put together. Hot glue. These, like, put a little bit of dab of hot glue right in there and stick that in. You're good to go. And that's basically it. Now this galvanized wire will rust. So I ended up buying this Rust-Oleum, just white Rust-Oleum paint. Take it outside, put it on a piece of cardboard, spray it down, and there you go. I will show you the finished piece that I have here. I mean, yeah, this piece does kind of stick out a little bit, but you know what? It's going to get hidden. And this is the finished product. Pretty easy, right? So I realized because we're not going to have these carrot forms to do these angel wings, I kind of thought I better do something like this instead. And so what I'm doing, I'm going to put these for sale on my website. And I don't know yet how I'm going to ship them or anything like that. I'm probably just going to put it between two pieces of cardboard and, you know, tape it around. Try to keep it as cheap as possible for right now. And yeah, if I get more orders, things like that, I'll go ahead and buy some boxes and put them in the boxes and things like that, I think. So we'll see how this goes, but I wanted to show you how I made them if you wanted to make them yourself. Otherwise, get on my website. I'll put the link in here to show you where you can purchase them. So kind of excited about it. Yeah, it's, you know, it's fairly simple, but it's something that not everybody's going to want to do. That's why I'm going to put it on my website. But I also wanted to show you how to do it. So, but that's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining me. Again, my name is Patty Davis. It is Wine Wednesday today, so have a glass of wine. Thank you again. You guys have a great night, and I'll see you later.